The people will join slowly. Let me start the session. Subrat, in the desktop, I have one a directory. In the desktop, I have one a directory. Which directory I have? GenAI repo. This is the directory we have. I have one a
Yeah.
directory. Then that directory we can call GenAI repo. Subrat, is it a VS Code? This is the VS
Yes.
Code. The VS Code. Fine. Now, go to which one? File. Go to which one? Open folder. File. Next one is the open folder. Go to the desktop. Go to the GenAI repo. Yeah, team, I'm showing it again. Everyone team. Go to which IDE? Visual Studio Code. How to open it? File. Open folder. File. Open folder. Desktop. GenAI repo. Go to the GenAI repo. Click what? Click the open button. Fine.
Sir,
Now,
yesterday we used data science folder in our
yesterday,
class.
but I will create the repo now. Na? I will create the repo now.
Okay.
T. Say this one. One more thing. One more thing is the now try to say this one. How to know the branch? How to know the current branch? Git branch. And here team, we have the multiple branches out there. And allow me to create one more branch. Team, how to switch to master branch? I wanted to switch to master branch. How to switch it here?
Git checkout.
Checkout, git checkout, master. No, we are in the master branch. But T. And another thing, I need to create one more branch. Let me create another branch. But before going to that one, let me delete all these images. Who don't know GitHub, no need to panic team. Who don't know GitHub, no need to panic. In the backup session, I will cover it. Fine. Here we need to go for if commit minus m somehow. How to push it, git push. D. How to create branch, a separate branch. Git branch, git branch, the branch name. The branch name is the iTask, iTask1. Or just enough. iTask batch 1 or something I need to place. Enough thing. iTask is enough. iTask minus month team. The month is the June month branch. Fun. So this is the branch creation. Fun. Team. How to switch to the branch? I wanted to switch to the branch. Git checkout. Git checkout. iTask minus June. Yes, we're able to switch to the branch. Fine. Now, here team. Let me create one folder. Let me create one folder. Then that folder we can call Python underscore basics. I wanted to create one folder. Then that folder we can call Python underscore basics folder. I need to create. Create one node file also. Class notes.txt. Fine. Now you people need to tell. Fine. Team, what is a variable? What is a variable? Can anyone answer to me what is variable? Variables are used to store the data or not. Beneath variables are used to store the data. Say this one. Variables are used to store the data. One team. Am I able to store the integer data? Yes. Am I able to store the string data? Yes. Am I able to store the Boolean data? Yes. And like this also, whatever the data you want to store, that data we are able to store it. Fine. And another thing, one more point. Fine. Team, what is the data type? Anyone knows that one? What is the data type? Data type representing type of data na data type representing the type of data. For example, 100 is there. Team, what is the 100? 100 is the integer na responder. Hello is there.
Yes.
What is
Yeah.
hello? Hello is the string or not?
String.
String or not? Say this one, you people need to do say this one. Data type, what are they?
Yeah.
Data type representing type of data. Very, very important. Say this one, what is the data type? Here? Data type representing type of data. Fine. Next one. Python supports below data types. Fine. First one, into data type. Second one, string data type. Third one, bool data type. What is the third one? Third one is the bool data type. And fourth one, coming to the fourth one, and here we have the fourth one. Fourth one is the list data type. List data type. Coming to the fifth one is the tuple data type. Coming to the sixth one is the dictionary data type. Coming to the seventh one is the set data type. Coming to the eighth one is the none data type. Here we have the eighth one. Eighth one is the null data type. Subrat, please explain again here. You need to tell it. Subrat, Python supports which data type? Into data type,
Int.
string data type, bool data type, list data type, tuple data type, dictionary data type, set data type, none data type. Fine. Team, one second team. Team, all the people join the session exactly at 9 o'clock. Team, leave the demo sessions. Team, demo sessions are completed. Allow me to put the focus on the content itself. No more demo sessions. Team, allow me to start the content as early as possible. Now you people are joining at 9, 10, 9, 50, 9, 20, not like that. Exactly 9 o'clock. Maintain that commitment. Team. Maintain that commitment. Then only we can enjoy with the sessions. Otherwise, we can't enjoy with the sessions. Team. Fine. Now, team, respond here. Why variable? Why variable? Variables are used to store the data or not? Coming to the variables are used to store the data. Fine. Next one. Yeah. What is the data type? Data type representing the type of data. Data type representing the type of data. Python supports how many types of data types? How many types of data types? 8 data types. First one, into data type. Into data type, string, boolean, none, like this also so many data types are there. Fine. Team, let me go through another thing. One more thing. Team, print. Print is the predefined function. What is the print? Print is the predefined function used to display the data. Display data on console. Can you please read it again, Manikanta? What is the print? Tell me what is the print? Print is the predefined function or not? Print is the predefined function used to display data on the console. Fine. And another thing. One more thing. Subrata. For example,
Yep.
I have the hello. Okay, na? But you asked me, Samba, I don't need the plain hello. Hello with the red color. You are giving some constraints to me. Hello with the red color. Hello with the bold and a hollow with the italic, and you are giving some constraints to me. Fine. How to apply these kind of constraints? To apply these kind of constraints, we need one library. Then that library we can call the rich library. Rich library. Rich library used to customize. Used to customize the output console outputs. Team, you may tell, sir, how to download the rich library? We will download rich library with the help of one tool. With the help of one tool, then that tool we can call the pip tool. With the help of one tool, then that tool we can call the pip tool. Pip is the tool used to download the libraries. And another, and may know the syntax here. What is the syntax? Pip install rich. Automatically, we're able to download the rich library. And Vinith, please explain again here. What is print function? Beneath all the people team, what is the print function? Print is the respond. Print is the what? Print is
Predefined function.
used to display data on the used
Also.
to display data on the console. Ramlingam. And another thing. One more thing. How to customize the output? How to customize the output? If you want to customize the output, we need one library. What is the library? Rich library. Rich library used to customize the output. And how to download the rich library? If you want to download the rich library, at that time we have one tool. What is the tool? Pip tool. Pip is the tool used to download the libraries. And what is the command we have? Pip install the rich. All the people take just to try to observe this one. Yeah. Here, let me close this one. Let me show the some basic examples. Fine. Here, right click, new file. Right click the new file. Here, what you want to place variable start py. Team, what is the extension? Can you tell the extension here? What is the extension? Variable
Python.
start py. Variable start py. The Python file extension must be variables.py. Remember that one. And another thing. Here it is. How to display the data? How to display the data? Print na print. Hello. Welcome to what? Welcome to Python. Print. Hello. Welcome to Python. Something we need to place it. Fine. Beneath, how to execute the code? We need to execute the code. Beneath, do we have the view option? Do we have any view option? Respond. Here we have the view option. Fine. In the view option, which option we have? Terminal.
Terminal.
We have the terminal. Simply, we need to go to the terminal. After going to the terminal, team, which folder we created? We created one folder. Which folder? Python basics, na? Python basics. How to switch to Python basics? How to switch it? CD space Python basics. Team, how to execute the code? How to execute the code? Python 3, respond Python 3, variable start by. Python 3, variable start by, automatically we're able to execute the code. Team, compulsory team. We need to switch to the folder. How to switch to the folder? CD space Python basics. Automatically we're able to switch to the folder. After switching to the folder, how to execute the code? Python 3, variable start by. If I go for the Python 3, variable start by, at that time, the output is the hello, welcome to Python. But team, I will get the 2 minutes of time. Execute the code along with me. You people need to execute the code. Everyone, team, everyone.
What is this Python 3? Can you explain?
In my laptop, I have the Python 3 in my laptop. Maybe in our
Oh,
laptop,
okay.
maybe Python may be there. If you have the Python, just to go with the only Python variable start by.
Okay.
Everyone, team, everyone execute the code along with me. Not later, team, not later. Even the agent development also, you people need to practice along with me. And one more point, some complaining. The complaints are, sir, I don't have the VS Code. If you people won't have the VS Code for today itself, practice with the online Python compiler. If your environment is not ready, here, I'm sharing the link here. Through that link, you can practice the code. Through that link, you can practice the code. If environment is ready, no issue. If environment not ready, please practice with the online compiler. Can I go to the next level? Team, can I go to the next level? Reply. Can I go to the
Yes,
next level?
yes.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, yes.
how to customize the output team? I want to
Rich,
customize the output. We need which library? We
rich.
library. We need the rich library or not? We need one library. Then that library we can call the rich library. Team, can you help me how to install the rich library? How to install it? Pip? Answer.
Pip install rich.
Pip install which library? Rich library. Pip install rich library. If pip is not there here, go for the pip 3 in my laptop here. In my laptop, pip is not there. Let me go for the pip 3. Yes. Team, I hope it's a downloaded, not an issue.
Sir, if we download any libraries in a specific folder, will that library will be accessible in other folder as well?
You need to
Or
create the virtual environment. You need to create the virtual environment. I will show it. In the future, I need to show it, no need to worry. But you can check it here. Here, how to do that one. Pip3 install which library or which library. Check this one. Mm,
The CLI which we are executing, the terminals, right? That must be in command prompt or
Command prompt only.
Yes.
That's a command prompt only. You people need to change it from PowerShell to command prompt. Fine.
okay,
Easy.
okay.
Team say this one, but before downloading that one, I will tell one more point to you. 1 second in getting the background noise. Maybe it will be the little bit tough, even the tough. Let me cover it. One simple point I need to cover. Fine. Assume here I have one project team. This is the project one. Next one, I have the project two. In my company, how many projects are running? 2 projects are running. So this is the project one, and this is the project two. Project two. Yeah. Next one, Subrata. Project one dependencies may not suitable to project two. Project two dependencies may not suitable to project one. My point is right or not? Project
Yes.
one dependencies may not fit to project two. Project two dependencies may not fit to project one. So how to handle in the company? We need to handle in the company. See this one. Here, create one virtual environment. We need to create one virtual environment to say this one. Here, the virtual environment name is the when we one. Here, install the required dependencies. Install the required dependencies for project one. Fine. Now, after creating the virtual environment, link virtual environment to project one. Very, very important team. Like in the real time, the projects will run like this only. Fine. What we need to create a virtual environment one. In the virtual environment one, install the required dependencies for project one and link when we want to project one. Same thing. For example, coming to the project two, coming to the project two, coming to the project two. Now create another environment, virtual environment. Here we need to call virtual environment two. Fine. In virtual environment two, install required dependencies for project two. Fine. Link, Tim say this one. Link when we do to the project two. So this is the setup happening in the real time team. This is setup. Fine. Now team, when we one contain water, all the people team need to tell when we one contain water, required dependencies for project one. Team, when we two contain what? Required dependencies for project two. And after creating the when we one, link when we want to do project one. And create the when we two, link when we two to the project two. Fine. Team, how to create it? We need to create it. We should be in a position we need to
Uh,
create it. How we need to create it? Fine.
uh,
Example.
I I have a
Yeah,
question. Like
go ahead.
instead of creating multiple virtual that instance or this one, why can't we store it in one place and pull whatever is needed?
Why
Is it
not?
not
Not
possible?
create one repo, create one
Uh-huh.
repo. From that repo, what are the dependencies are required here? Pull that one, attach to project one. Why not? It's
Oh,
possible.
okay,
Then-
okay,
And I
fine.
will get the counter question to can you please answer it here? For example, NumPy. Do you know NumPy? Do you know
Nam
NumPy library? Vasudev, NumPy,
no,
Dasa.
no, no,
You know,
no,
you are from the Java background, na?
no. I'm from network.
Network background here. For example, I think I can't say that one. For example, I will tell this one. For example, I have the NumPy library.
Okay.
NumPy library contains so many versions, like
Hmm.
1.x version, 2.x
Okay.
version, 3 version. So many versions are there.
Okay.
Project one need only 2.x version.
Okay. Got it. Understood.
Got the
Understood.
point?
Yeah,
Fine.
yeah. So sometimes Java would not work.
That's a
We require specific version. Got it.
Got it. Team, like even though new member, even though freshers, try to understand it, don't feel the difficulty because in the company, the project start like this. Fine. In the step number one, how to create the virtual environment. Create virtual environment. In the regular training classes, it won't be there written. Fine. How to create it? How to create it? Python 3, minus m, any name team. Create what? Virtual environment. Virtual environment. What is the name of the environment? When v1. Not only when v1, we can place the 1 to 3 also. Not only 1 to 3, we can place the anything here. Any name we can place it. Fine. Now, Manikanta, please tell me how to create the virtual environment. What is the command to create it? Python 3. Python 3. What is the next one? Minus m, what you wanted to create when we, what is the name of environment? Python, like any name here, we can place any name here, not an issue. Automatically virtual environment will create in the laptop. Next one, team, or one more point I need to tell. In our laptop, in some laptops only Python will work here. Python minus m, when we 314 any command in some laptops Python 3 will work. In some laptops Python will work. Whatever it is working, you people need to do it. So that's the step number one. Fine. Team, coming to the step number two. Let me go to the step number two. Coming to the step number two, activate virtual environment. Activate virtual environment. How to activate it? Try to say this one. Source when we 314 bin activator. If you people are using the MacBook, one team. Some people they're using the Windows. Whoever using the Windows, when we 314 backward slash scripts, S is the capital, scripts slash activator. Team, whoever using the Windows operating system. Fine. Next one. And step number three. Coming to the step number three, create requirements.txt file with rich library. So how to do this one? I need to create requirements.txt file with which library? Rich library. Next one. T. And another thing. Step number four. Coming to step number four. Install requirements.txt file. How to install it? To install, we need to go for the pip install requirements.txt file. Fine. Team, this is not the right time to teach this one, but I think suddenly we started with the team. Once if you got the job in the company, in the Python project, your day starts like this. Directly, they won't execute the coding. They will create an environment. They will activate the environment. They will download the libraries. Subrata, can you please explain here how to create a virtual environment? Python 3 minus m when we name of the folder. Yeah, can I place the ABC? Yes, we can place any name,
Yes.
not an issue. And in our laptop, Subrata, maybe in our laptop only Python is working. Python minus m when we 314. You people need to place it. Chari. And how to activate it? How to activate it? Activate virtual environment. How to activate it? If you people are using the MacBook, this is the command. This command is used to activate the virtual environment. For example, if you are using the Windows, this is the command. This command is used to activate the virtual environment. Nagbabu, and another thing, create a which file. Nagbabu, tell me, create which file? Requirements.txt file. And another thing, Subrata, how to install requirements.txt file? Pip install requirements.txt file. Fine. Team, let me execute the command by command here. We need to execute the command by command. Now, go to the which
Sir,
one? Terminal. Let me
sir,
finish.
is this helpful for the network also, sir?
Why
Networking.
not? Why not? Yeah. What is our question? Is it required for the network people? Huh?
Yeah. Why? Because Python projects are there for the developers or this thing, but we from the network team will be having scripts for the, for example, SSH into the devices and checking the show and interface levels and protocol level automation using the Python. but this completely on the projects like
It's required now. It's required now. I think can I get the one suggestion to the suggestion is the now we are discussing about the Python now. Like is this concept related to any network? No, na? Is it related to any network? Not
No,
required.
No.
Not required now. Fine. Now team say this one. Now team just to try to see this one. 1.18. What is our main folder? Python underscore basics na? Yes or not?
Yes.
Respond team.
Yes.
How to switch to Python underscore basics? CD space respond Python underscore basics. Now team, how to create virtual environment? How to create virtual environment? Tell me. Python 3.
Python 3
Python
hyphen M.
-m when we name of the environment, any name. Team, we can place any name, not an issue. Environment will create automatically. Left side, you can check the proof also. Left side, we have the when we 314. When we 314 left side, the environment created successfully. Next one, and another thing. Team, activate it. How to activate it? After creating the environment, we people need to activate it. How to activate it? Here say this one. Source, tell me. Source, when we respond team. When we, next one, bin one is not activated, automatically activated. Team, if it is activated at the beginning, we're able to see the when we 314. At the beginning, we are able to see the when we 314, we are able to see it. Fine. Team. And another thing. After completing this one, next one more thing. Create requirements.txt. Team, can I create the requirements.txt? Right click, new file. Right click, new file. Here what we need to do place? We need to do place requirements.txt. Requirements.txt. Team, which library required? Rich library now. Inside the requirements.txt, we need to place one library. Then that library we can call the rich library. Fine. And another thing. And step number 4. What is the step number 4? What is the step number 4? Install requirements.txt. How to install? Pip install requirements.txt. Could not say this one. The problem is what's the problem here? Whatever the rich is there. Let me check the Python version thing. Python space minus version. Fine. Team, you people need to check the version. What is the version we have? 3.114.5 na Python version. This version not satisfying this rich version. Okay na? And can I decrease the version? Let me decrease the version. I need to decrease the version here. Minus R na? You are saying minus R. Wait here. Pip install minus R. Someone saying like a maybe is it wrong? Yes, team. I think my mistake here. There's a mistake. Say this one. Here, what is the command? Pip install -r. -r requirements.txt. Automatically, we're able to download it. Fine. Team, which library we downloaded? Which library we downloaded? Rich library we downloaded or not? We downloaded one library. Then that library we can call the rich library. Fine. Go to the variable.py. We need to go to the variable.py. Fine. After going to the variable.py, team, I'm requesting you people need to comment this code. After commenting the code, import customized print function. Please import the customized print function. How to import it? From which library? Rich library na? Rich library. Import one. Import which function? Print function or not? Print function. Team, this is not the predefined print function. This is the customized print function. This is a customized print function available in rich library. Fine. How to print it? I need to print it. Print. See this one. Print. Yeah. Team, which color you required? Red color na? Red color. And here what we need to place? Hello. Hello, what we need to place? Welcome to. Welcome to what? Welcome to Python. Fine. Team, is it a red color? Red color. This red color we need to execute or we need to apply to this string or not? We need to apply to the string. To apply to the string, we need to use the forward slash. Let me apply the forward slash here. Forward slash right. Fine. Team, now execute the code. How to execute the code? Answer, how to execute the code? Python. Python, which one we need to press? Variable start by. Team, what is the output we are able to say? Red color or plain color? Red color na? Red color we are able to say. Next one, team. And another thing. Print. Print. Which color is required? Which color is required? Can I tell the one more color? I need the green color team. Let me go for one more color. The color is the green color. Next one, team. And another thing is I need the bold effect also. Which effect we required here? Bold effect also required here. And here what we need to do place? Hello, team. How to execute the both the things, sir? I need to execute the both the things, sir. How to execute the both the things? Slash which one? Bold effect. Next one is which one here? Green. I think team, by seeing this one, we are a little bit upset team. Sir, why we need to replace the two times? Because there's a Python standard, sir. We can't do anything here. We can't do anything here. The Python given the standards like this. Say this one. Now it's a green color and a bold color here. Fine. Just wait it in. What's a mistake I done here? I will let you know that mistake. Fine. All the people team, just be happy with this one. Whenever we start the project, our project should contain the virtual environment. Without a virtual environment, don't start any project in the companies also. The company starts the project from the virtual environment only. Team, how to create a virtual environment? Can you please tell me? Python 3? Respond. Python 3 minus m when we name of the environment. Can I say the ABC here? Yes, we can
Yes.
say anything, not an issue. And another thing, and in some laptops, only Python will work. In some laptop, only Python will work here. Fine. And another thing, and one more thing is uh, after creating the environment, how to activate it? How to activate it? Source. This a command related to what? This command related to MacBook, and this command related to Windows operating system. Now, team, we need to create which file? We need to create which file? Requirement.txt file. And how to install it? Pip install -r. Team, I forget to press the flag here. Someone giving the hint to me. Sir, you missed the -r. Pip install -r requirements.txt. Automatically, we are able to install the required libraries. Fine. Yeah. Team, can someone share our laptop here? Can someone share our desktop here? In our laptop, I need to show it. Anyone ready to share the screen?
I can share.
Yeah, please share the screen. All the people team just observe it. In his laptop, how I'm doing here. All the people just to follow the same thing. Only one laptop I can show it team. Not all the people. Only one laptop I can show it. Remaining people also, you people need to do like this. Subrat, can you operate the laptop very slowly? Very slowly. Don't go for the speed.
Yes.
Yes, Subrat, close everything. If you don't mind, close everything. Close everything. Close it. Subrat.
Shall I open again?
No, minimize it. Can you please minimize everything? Yeah. Subrat, create one folder. Right click. Gen you can give the name like Gen AI repo. Gen -A repo or anything choice is yours. Gen AI. Enough. Fun. Subrat, go to the VS Code. Subrat, one suggestion to you. Folder name never have the spaces. Gen AI repo never give any
Let me change.
Instead of space, give the minus symbol. There's a convention in the real time also. Gen AI -repo. Yes, team, not only Subrat, all the people. There's a conventions in the real-time team. Don't give the any spaces kind of thing. Now, open the VS Code. Open the VS Code and open a folder. Open a folder. Go to the desktop. Left side, select the desktop. Right side, Gen AI repo. Yes. Enough. Wait here. And close the, one second. I will guide you slowly. Close the chart box. You need to click the chart box here. Click the chart box. Clear enough? And another thing. And one more thing. Open the terminal. Can you please open the terminal? Open the terminal. View terminal. All the people team just to verify it here. I can show only with the only one laptop, not all the laptops. Only one laptop. Fine. Subrata. And another thing. Team, all the people team, whoever there in the class, verify here. In our laptop, you are able to see the PowerShell here. You people are able to see the PowerShell here. Am I right or not? Don't be in the Subrat wait here. Don't be in the PowerShell here. You need to change it to command prompt. All the people team without changing, don't run the command. Fine. You need to change to command prompt. To change the command prompt, you have the drop down here. Click the drop down. Yeah. Here you need to select the command prompt. Mandatory step team. This is the mandatory step. Click it. Click it, team, everyone team. You people need to change to command prompt, don't be in the PowerShell mode. Fine. So that is the first step. Next one, Subrat, one more thing. Click file option. Click the file option. Auto save. Auto save already enabled, no need to worry here. Already enabled, no need to worry here. Fine. Subrat, create another folder. Inside the Chennai repo, create Python _ basics. Not file, folder. Not file, folder. Create the folder.
Okay.
Folder team, don't create the file, create the folder. Python _ basics. Python _ basics. _basics. Enter.
Sir, what is this tool we are using to do this, sir? What is this tool?
Tool in
VS
this
Code.
is the VS Code. This
Visual
Subrat,
Studio.
could you please type in the chat room the code?
VS Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. And another thing. And one more thing is the now. Subrat.
Yeah.
Amin Khan, your answer, sir. What is the difference between the command prompt and the PowerShell? Command prompt suitable for the Windows operating system. PowerShell suitable for the Ubuntu operating system. Got it now? PowerShell compatible with the Ubuntu. But in our personal laptop, you have the Windows. So that's why you need to change from PowerShell to command prompt. Remember that point. And Subrat, create the environment. Python 3. Type it. CD space, first of all, CD space, no. CD space, Python _ basics. CD space, Python _ basics. Enter. Enter. Next one. And one more thing. Python 3.
It will work Python, sir, because I have
Fine,
Windows. So
fine. -m. When we space, when we 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Enter. Yes, sir. Yes, it's created. Subrat, activate it. When we 1, 2, 3. When we 1, 2, 3. Backward slash. Scripts. S is the capital. Scripts / activate. Activate. Enter. Yes, it's activated. Subrat, the proof is that if it is activated, you are able to say the when we 1, 2, 3. Fine. Subrat, create requirements.txt. Create requirements.txt. Requirements.txt. Subrat, once again, you need to create under the Python basics. Are you in the right location?
okay, I'm going to create it in the Python here.
Requirements.txt.
Is this name is fixed or we can give any name?
You can abc.txt. You can give anything.
Okay.
Requirements.txt. Fine. Subrat, delete that file. Old file, delete it. Then you need to type the rich. Type the rich. 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 And another thing. Here and one more thing. Pip install. Type it. Pip install. Pip install -r requirements.txt. No, requirements.txt. .txt. Enter. Team, once if you are the data science developer, our day starts like this. Well, yeah. Subrat, if you don't mind, can you take the screenshot of the terminal? Can you please scroll up?
Yes.
Scroll up and take the screenshot. Paste into our WhatsApp group.
Okay, sure.
Just to paste it. Now later you may not.
I'll
Just
paste
paste
it.
it. Yeah. Paste it into WhatsApp group. And another
Okay.
thing. Subrat, one more thing. Go ahead. Do it fast.
Hello, a small question here. So now what did we do here? Like, did we install this rich to use it in our project? Am I right?
Yes, I think to get the rich output, not more than that one. To get the colorful output, we are installing that library.
Okay, it is. We won't get this along with Python. When we install Python, we won't be having it.
Exactly.
Externally, we need to install it. Okay.
That's it. Fine. Yeah. Subrat, one more thing. Subrat, create the variable start py. create the variable start py, where you need to create inside the Python basics, create it. Variable start py. Variable start py. Dot.
Yep.
Spelling wrong, don't go for the spelling wrong, modify it. Variables.
Yeah.
Variables. Don't feel
B-
bored team. The reason is because if you
VARIA, yes.
yes, yes sir. So variables. Yes sir. Just to press the yes.
S is needed. Okay.
Team, don't feel the bore. If the environment is ready, then only you can do the hands-on practice. Otherwise, you can't. Fun. Subrata.
Yeah.
From rich. Type it. Line number 1. In the line number 1, from rich import print. From rich import print. Yes. Subrata, enter. Enter print. Print. Yeah, enough. I think you got something here. Yeah, press the tab here. Press the tab. Now run the code. How to run the code? Python variable start py. Variable start py. Yes, you got it now. You got it.
Yes.
Got it. Fine. Subrat, just to share this screenshot also in the group. Complete
Sure.
screenshot. Complete screenshot. Like left side generic or something is there, na? Complete folder structure also. I need the folder structure also.
Okay.
Take the screenshot. Yes. Share with the group itself.
Sir, what is the difference that we are executing the commands in the terminal and even the file also? So what is the difference between these two, sir?
Can you ask the question again? I'm not getting your question.
We
Execute.
executed we executed some commands in the terminal portion, right? Like
Exactly.
and also we are writing few lines of code even in the files from the Python basics. We are just going for a print bold magneta enter. We are going to get a print.
Exactly.
Initially, we performed some commands in terminal like Python installations like Python R install pip and all this. So
Exactly.
why we are doing it both? Why don't we do it a terminal and we can see the output over there? Or why we are doing this commands in both the terminals, like in the file and even in the terminals?
Can I say the answer?
Yeah.
This is our project. This is our project. Variable start py is the your project. Okay, na? Maybe at present you may say, sir, one after all 2 lines of code is there. In the future, this is our agent in the future. Got it or not?
Yeah.
And to run your project, this setup is required.
Mhm.
You got my answer now?
Yeah, I got your point, sir. But terminal, we are executing some commands from the terminal in order to install all
Mm.
the things. Whereas
Mm.
after installing, we are using the file to see the output. What I
Exactly.
understand.
Exactly. That is the flow. Whatever you ask it me, there's a flow. If I follow that flow, we are able to execute the code. Otherwise, we are unable to execute the code. Got it? Otherwise, still, if you're not understanding, I will tell you something. Fine.
Yeah.
This is your project. Don't think just 2 lines of code. In the future, we may write the around 1 lakh lines of code. Got the clarity or not? Around 1 lakh lines of code we will write in the future.
Yeah.
This is our project. To run this project, because finally we need to run this project or not. To run this project in the terminal, these many number of commands we need to execute. Then only our project will execute. Otherwise, our project won't execute. Are you okay with that one?
Got it.
Okay, na? Fine. Project you need to type with the Python file only. Execution should be there with the terminal only. Okay, na?
Come again the statement, sir. Once come again the statement.
Your project code should write with the Python file only.
Okay.
Execution should be done with the command prompt only, terminal only.
Got it, sir.
Got the clarity now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Team. Remaining people also, can you please do that one? Remaining people, team, can you please complete it? Team, once if the environment is ready, then only you are the eligible. Then only you are eligible to do the practice along with me. Otherwise, you are not eligible. Once if the environment is ready, catch my point, team. Catch my point here. Fine. Subrata, stop the screen share.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the people, team, all the people. Just give me 1 minute review. Once if you make ready here, team, tomorrow onwards a little bit speed up, team. Tomorrow onwards we need to go the speed up. But still, we don't want to stuck with the basic level. Fine. Team series fun. What is the first step before this step, team? Before this step, step 0 also there. Step 0 is nothing but create directory. Create directory on desktop. Desktop. I think you may say, sir, what is directory? Directory means folder only. Folder only. Next one. What is the directory name? The directory name is the gen minus a minus repo. This is the directory you people need to create it. Fine. Team. And another thing. And one more thing is the one more thing. Step 0.0 or 0.1 is open with the VS Code. You people need to open with the VS Code. Whatever the Gen AI repo is there, you people need to open with the VS Code. And team say this one, if possible, under this one, you people need to create Python underscore basics also one more folder. This is the main folder. Under the main folder, one more folder here. Under this folder, you need to create one file. Which file you need to create requirements.txt. For all the people team, what is the first step? What is the first step? Create the folder in desktop. Which folder? Gen repo. Fine. Team, change your habit here. Generally, your habit is the you people are giving the spaces like this. No, don't give the spaces. Use the single word or give the hyphen. That's a standard team. That's the real-time standards. Next one. Under this one, go to the one more folder. Which folder? Python underscore basics. Under that one, create one file. Which file? Requirements.txt. Next one. This is a folder structure team. What are the folder structure is there? You people need to open with the VS Code. After that, execute all the commands. What are the commands are there? All the commands you people need to execute it. And I need to press the step number 5 also. What is the step number 5? Step number 5 is nothing but create what? Create variable start py. Create variable start py. And step number 6. Step number 6 is the execute it. Very basic level team. First example, very basic level example, ethic example. Execute it. How to execute it? What is the command we have? What is the command we have? Python variable start py. Python variable start py. For everyone team, just you have the 10 minutes of time now. Do it now, not later. Never say, sir, later I will do that. For no, just to do it now. Then only you can do the hands-on practice along with me. Otherwise, you can't.
Sir, instead of this requirement file, if I install each library individually using the pip install, is that also possible, right?
That is also correct, but it's not required now. It's not recommended now. That is also correct, but it's not recommended in the real time.
Okay. And is there a way?
Tell me.
Yeah. So is there a way, suppose I'm seeing a specific code, is there a way that I can understand what are the libraries it has used if they really not define the requirement.txt
Why
thing?
not? Why not? Our class is for the same thing now. Our class is for the same thing or not? Because in the class, parallel, I will let you know which one is required, which one is not required. I will let you know. Got it? You are asking, sir, give the complete list. There's your point or not? I'm saying to you. So in our class, we will discuss everything. What is a NumPy? What is pandas? When we need to use it? I will cover that one. No need to worry. Team, let me push the code. I need to push the code here. How we need to push the code? Can anyone guide me how to push the code, team? How to push the code? Git add data. Git add data. First of all,
You need to initialize.
Yeah, already done. Initialization already done.
Yeah.
Fine. Team. And one more thing, just 1 second, team. It's not required to team. This is related to GitHub file. Don't put your focus on this one.
Sir, question on initialization. So every time, do I need to run with all those steps like config?
Only one time. Today I done. Tomorrow onwards no need to do it.
Not
Today
required.
done.
Okay.
Today done. Tomorrow onwards no need to do it. Only one time setup.
One time setup and branch and all we need to push every time. Every
Exactly.
time we create a folder, a branch needs to be pushed.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Fine. Team, I'm sharing the repo also. This repo contain the complete code. Team, this file not required to you. Some people they're putting the focus on this file. Don't put your focus on this file because this is related to Git ignore file. Never put your focus on that file here. Fine. Team, I will show the repo path here. I will show the repo path where you people need to check out the code. For example, this is our repo team. In this repo, by default, you are in the which branch? Respond
Master.
by default master branch. Don't be in the master branch. Go to your particular branch. Team, what is our branch? I task June now. I task
Yeah.
June. Go to the branch here. Once if you go to the branch here, what is the folder we have? Python basics na? Python basics. Under the Python basics, do you have the variable start py? Responder.
Yes.
This is the code or not? This is the code. Not only that one team. Not only that one. Go to that one here. You people may identify the nodes also. This is the nodes we have. Whatever we done today, complete nodes also available here. Now scroll down. We need to scroll down here. Where is that nodes team? Yeah, maybe under the Python basics only you have the class nodes. There itself complete nodes is there. Step 0, step 0.1. You people need to follow that one. Okay, na fun team say this fun. By default, you are in the which branch? Answer by default.
Master.
Master branch. Don't be in the master branch here. You people navigate it to which branch? iTask minus June. You people navigate it to iTask minus June. Fun team. I'm sharing the repo URL also. In the WhatsApp group, I'm sharing the repo URL also. Daily team. After completing the class, I will push that code to that repo itself. You can see that code and you can execute the code also. Fine. Team, once again, I'm asking here, don't raise the questions here. Whenever you launch it, you are in the master branch. Don't go to master branch. You people need to go to what? iTask minus June branch. You need to switch it. Then only it will work. Otherwise, it won't work here. Fine. Now, check that fun team whether you are able to do it or not.
Yes. Check.
Sir, I have one doubt. Like on Subrat's screen, we have not mentioned which color should be displayed. Like, but it was
We
showing
mentioned.
pink color.
No, we mentioned it's a magenta color. It is mentioned
Got it.
in
But
our
you
code.
didn't identify it. Already mentioned. Even
Okay.
if you take the screenshot, like some color is the some salmon color something. I'm not sure. Some color is there. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Team, can I expect, will you make the environment ready? If you make the environment ready, tomorrow directly I need to go for the variables. Okay, now reply or please give the reply.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Are
Yes.
you
Yeah.
okay, team? Are you okay or feeling
Yeah.
like a difficulty?
Yeah, this GitHub part is somewhat a bit confusing for us.
Leave it. GitHub, leave it. GitHub, leave it here because maybe in the upcoming classes I will cover the GitHub again here. But you are saying GitHub is difficult. Already given the Git repo, na, directly go to that one, download the code and practice it. Python is not related to GitHub, na?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Fine. Next one, team. Anyone have the questions, sir? Will you make environment ready before joining the tomorrow class?
Yes, yes, we'll do it, sir.
Respond, team. Respond. Please
Yes.
make the
Yes.
environment ready.
Yeah,
Without
definitely.
making team, without making, you people can't practice along with me. 100%. Just to make the environment ready. Team hands-on practice here. I will write the code. You are also write the code, execute the code. I will build the agent. You people also able to build the agent here. Okay. Even the difficult, don't skip it. Don't skip it, then go through that one. Okay, fine. Thank you, team. Bye. Tomorrow we need to meet again. Okay? Fun team. One suggestion, team. Join the session at exactly at 9 o'clock. Never be joined at 9:20, 9:30, 9:40, something. Here. Yeah, I think almost all the batches finalized. Already so many members are finalized. Then we will create the separate link itself. Through that link, we can discuss it here. Fun.
Fine.
So whoever interested team, don't join the class at 9:30, 9:40. Whoever interested, if you're happy here, join the session at 9 o'clock. Never be late to the session here. Okay, na?
Sir, sir, VS Code is enough now, sir, in order to download for the
VS
practice.
Code enough. VS Code enough here in the future. I need to change it. I will change to Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook in the future. At present,
As of now, that is good.
VS Code is enough. Okay, na?
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thank you, team. Bye.